Hi, and thank you for watching this demonstration of the new ServiceTracker platform from CBRE Mid-South. This is an early release demonstration, so some aspects of the website and application will change before we release on March 2nd. However, all of the primary functionality is in place, so what you're about to see here will be, by and large, what you'll see on release day. When you come to the new ServiceTracker homepage, you'll see the green login button in the top right corner. When you click it, it'll bring you to this page. You'll notice that you're now able to reset your own password and no longer have to contact property management or IT for support. When you click this link, the system will email you a link to reset your password. You'll also notice at the bottom of the screen that we have one centralized phone number which you can call any time of day to report an emergency. Please do not input emergency tickets into ServiceTracker, especially if they involve life safety, fire, or flood. Please call at any time of day 844-495-0177 to speak with a live operator. To sign into ServiceTracker, simply click the blue button, and what you will see in the top right corner is a small gear. If you click the gear, you're able to update your name, your username, your email address, and you're able to set new options like your time zone and phone number. You can even specify your location within the office. You can set your password at any time. To log out of the system, simply press the exit button in the top rightmost corner of the screen. In the top left, you'll see 3 bars that allow you to toggle the sidebar for more screen real estate. This is useful because ServiceTracker is now a web-enabled responsive application, so you don't need to install anything fresh from your App Store. Simply visit the website from your phone, tablet, iPad, or laptop computer, and use ServiceTracker as you would at your desk. On smaller screens, toggling the sidebar can make a big difference in the usability of the program. The search box that you see here is a global Google-style search. This means you can type in any word, phrase, number, and reach the information that references. You'll only be able to retrieve data that you have access to. In other words, if you have a ticket which contains the words air conditioning and you search the words air conditioning, all of your tickets which contain that phrase will be returned. The calendar functions mostly as it has in the past, with a few great new features. When your property manager records an event for your building on the calendar, he or she may choose to email that event to you. But you'll also be able to log into ServiceTracker and see the events listed here on the calendar, and you can view those events in a calendar view or an agenda, just like you're used to doing on your smartphone. Finally, the most important part, your tickets. To enter a new ticket, simply drop down the Tickets menu, click on New Ticket, and choose the city that your property is in. Click Submit, choose your property, and select your tenancy. Your problem type menu is similar to what it's always been. Choose the type of problem that most closely matches the issue that you're having. For example, if you're having a problem with a light switch, choose lighting. If you're having an issue with pest control, choose pest control. And if you're having a plumbing leak, choose leak. Give your problem a description. Make it brief, but as descriptive as you can. An example of a good problem description: the power appears to be out over our reception desk, but nowhere else in the office. An example of a description that isn't as useful would be, please call me, we're having a power problem. We do want you to include a phone number, though. In the event that you're having a power issue which might impact your phone system, your normal phone number probably won't work. In those situations, please include an alternate phone number like a cell phone where your technician can reach you. Additionally, if you have a reference number internally that you need to use to track this ticket, input it here. This is an optional field, so you don't have to include it. Finally, on a closure email, when your ticket is closed, you will receive an email. If there's someone in addition that you would like to receive an email, perhaps a colleague or a personal email address, you can enter that information in closure email. The emergency ticket box that you're used to seeing after 4 p.m. on weekdays and over the weekend has now been changed. Any time of day or any day of the week, you can click the emergency box on a ticket to let us know that this is a critical problem. Again, if you're having an actual emergency, such as a life safety issue, fire, or flood, please contact 911 first and then call our 800 number to report the issue to a live operator. Once you've clicked Submit, you'll see the confirmation page that you're accustomed to, and your ticket will automatically be paged to your property manager, technician, and several others providing oversight within our CBRE Mid-South offices. You can provide oversight in your tickets by going to Open Tickets to see what's going on with your request. Once your ticket has been taken by a technician and is being investigated, you'll see it under Working Tickets. If you're interested in the status of the ticket, you can click the View button, and it will bring you some details about what's been done on the ticket. Closed tickets can be accessed under the Closed Tickets link, and tickets that have been placed on hold, for example, because a vendor has been contacted and will be on site next week, can be seen under Held Tickets. As always, if you have any questions, problems, suggestions, or information about ServiceTracker that you feel we need, please reach out to your property manager. And remember that this is a web-based system, so if your point of contact for ServiceTracker changes, please let us know as quickly as possible so that we can make the appropriate security adjustments to protect your accounts. Thank you for using ServiceTracker. It is the fastest way to get facilities management support, and one of the things we value your cooperation with at CBRE Mid-South.